Okay. Can you show me exactly what it looked like, the plan of the house?
If you
was it if you looked from the top of the building, if you had a bird's eye view, what would it look like? Was it a rectangle with bedrooms and then a corridor, or
no? As you climb the staircase, you come to the veranda, and then you come to the living room.
Yes.
No, before that, your staircase on the right side was the kitchen.
So I'm going to do a plan here.
Yeah.
And then you tell me how it looks. Okay. Supposing this is what the plan is. Yes. So there's a staircase. There was a staircase.
In the center, there was a staircase.
In the center.
And
what floor was it on?
There was only first floor. One floor.
Okay, so we were on the first floor?
We were on the first floor.
This is the staircase?
Yeah.
Okay.
We come up.
Yes.
Then on the left side was the kitchen and the bathroom.
On the left side. This was the kitchen? You came up the stairs and then you turned left.
First after left side was first bathroom.
Oh, here there was a bathroom.
And then lavatory.
Quite a large, The toilet and the bath were separate.
No, separate, yes.
And it looked something like this?
Yeah, like this, that's right.
Yes, and here was the bath?
No, this was separate.
Yes, but
adjoining.
Adjoining each other?
Then the kitchen.
And then there was a kitchen.
The rest was the kitchen.
All this was a kitchen?
Kitchen, yeah.
This was a kitchen?
Yeah.
Oops. Okay. This was the kitchen. This was the kitchen.
Yeah.
And this was.
And kitchen has got two windows looking down main road.
From this part.
Yeah.
On the front side.
Yeah.
There were windows.
Yeah.
How many windows?
2 windows, I remember. Yeah.
Okay. There were windows. This is the bath.
And bathroom and lavatory has got one window.
Over here.
Over here.
Okay.
And then you come.
And then how did you come out of the kitchen? Where was the door of the kitchen?
Separate door.
And then how did you but here? Where was the kitchen door?
Corridor here. You come out from the corridor.
So this was the corridor. But where was the door of the kitchen? How did you get into the kitchen?
Where was the door up front?
This was the door. So you went like this and like this into the kitchen.
Then you come out, you come to the staircase, then you come straight. On the right side was a drawing room, they call it, small drawing room, and then my bedroom.
This was the sitting room, or drawing room.
Adjoining was
dining.
And you had no place because then again the other bedroom. It's a bigger.
Okay, what was here? I thought the bedrooms were here.
No, bedroom is near the.
Near the dining. We have to make another plan.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to go through this whole thing again. Where was Clifton? Where was the beach?
We had no beach there.
Oh, I see. I always had the impression.
No, this was Jamshed Quarters, is a Parsi colony. It's called Old Bandar Road.
Quarters. You celebrated 15th August
Independence Day
in
Karachi Extension. That was on the beach.
On the beach.
A lot of Punjabi ladies came from Lahore and fashionable. We celebrated like ordinary people. We never thought we'd come after there would be any partition. We never thought.
In August, you didn't think there would be partition, but in September you moved.
September we saw a lot of killings and everything. Then we got scared.
Yes.
Because all Sindhis are very timid in that way. So don't want to work any risk. So women and children should go. Then we came in a ship. It's called Liverpool ship, cargo ship.
A cargo ship.
My husband remained there, and my father now was in the zamindari.
Yeah, he was on his lands.
Yeah. So he was there writing because open ne wo Khalsa Patiya Sikha se sabni ke maar chale hum. Muslim tikra talwar maro.
But not your people who were around you, not people who were your neighbors.
They attacked them. They attacked. Parsi lady saved them. Parsi lady saved them. She said, "ये मेरा घर है." She spoke in Gujarati. ये मेरा घर है. ये किसका नहीं है? ये सिंधी लोग नहीं है. ये हिंदू लोग नहीं है. She saved them.
Okay.
Partition rights है ना. What are rights? That was I think in 47 in December something like that.
अच्छा तो वो ते अच्छी वही हुई
Then he Mata Sisa Vidasi, but Jairam was saved because of the by his Parsi lady. She saved them.
She said that he is not Hindu, he
because
is Parsi.
Some Muslim came and they pointed out, the rest of people came, सामने रहता है, सामने माना हिंदू रहता है, तो देख के जयराम से तो मतेचरी आया, तो बाई मतेचरी आई, क्या है, माँ असली तो पारसी हैं, we are not Hindus, तो उन्हें के छोकरे के मारते नहीं उन्हें, पर ऐसा छोड़ है उन्हें के, तो ये हिंदू कौन है, one family बची हुई, या सब मुसलमान अच्छी ब्याह, and those is.
अच्छा White House शाहजलाल नालो रखे हो?
My grandfather had an itch because he went to America twice, world tour. So he saw White House, but I don't know plan his White House the same. But
no, I doubt it.
He made outstanding house. That was
it was painted white.
His pride, yeah. It was pride, and everybody, you know, everybody used to say, "But Shankar Singh's house high." It's a very, very great thing. It was a very great thing, the outstanding house. This is the front side, main road. This is it's called Hirabad.
Hirabad, okay.
Yeah, and both sides we had a porches. And the main door is here. Main door is only for the visitors.
Okay.
I'll tell you. And in each porch has got own door outside.
Okay. So it was with pillars here? Did you have pillars?
No pillars. This is made of stones.
Was it covered, this part?
No, not covered. Not covered. No, not covered.
Okay.
Open, but attached to the house. Then you come from this.
Were there steps that went into the house?
Steps, yes, steps, few steps.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like three steps?
Yeah. No, 4, 5.
4, 5. So it was high.
Both the doors here also steps.
Okay.
And then you come to the veranda.
No, this we are entering. This is the facade.
You come.
Then there was, okay. I'm going to try to draw a veranda.
It's a veranda, then here veranda.
No, this is you're entering the house. The veranda is inside. So this is a veranda. Okay, then now we are looking at from the top. We are doing a plan.
Then veranda, you come to the big.
We have to go this way.
Yeah.
This way. We go this way. And then the veranda. Then
big living room, big drawing room.
Big drawing room. Okay.
Whole covering the whole thing.
Okay. Then, so including the porches.
Including the porches.
No.
Yes, that's right.
So from end to end.
End to end, big one.
Like this, like big
by 40 by something like that.
Okay.
That big. Then from living room you come outside.
No, here we are inside now.
Then again
this is the way into the house. This is the way into the house.
Now this climate in Hyderabad Sindh is winter, summer and spring and autumn. See, summer we used to sleep outside. So the plan is like that. So you come out with a veranda.
It was a closed veranda, like a
closed veranda, parallel to closed veranda. And from veranda, you got all 3 bedrooms are there.
Okay.
That I remember very well.
Okay, so this was the courtyard, what you call an angan.
Angan is after, I'll tell you.
Oh, there's more than this.
Veranda.
This was a closed courtyard or open to the sky?
Courtyard is open to the sky.
Okay.
Veranda is covered.
Okay, this was the covered veranda, this was the courtyard, this was the drawing room.
Coming out from the main road, main door.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was the drawing room.
Yeah.
And this was the courtyard.
Yeah.
And on the sides were rooms.
Yeah.
Bedrooms.
Three rooms, yeah.
3 rooms. Here, here and here.
Yeah. No.
3 rooms?
No. Now from the courtyard, then there were kitchen, the bathroom.
All these were outhouses?
Outhouses.
Okay. So beyond this room, this was 1 bedroom, this was another bedroom, this was another bedroom.
Yeah.
Like this?
Like this.
And then there was another thing at the back?
And then instead going upstairs, we got a top story also.
Okay.
There's
And
some-
what did the drawing room look like? Was it carpets and chandeliers, or what was it?
Chandeliers, yes, of course, chandeliers, and the velvet curtains and everything all came from Indonesia and all these places.
Okay. What was the furniture
And we
like?
got also, I can't show you the whole drawing room. We have sofas and the curtains here, and
Where was the fireplace?
we had just like a chimney
the
one,
middle?
the
In the
chimney, the thing, you know, the shelf for there. We keep
Like a
everything.
hearth,
And then,
yeah.
yeah.
Because it was so cold. You needed to have
see
a fire.
in London it's like that. A copy from London, exactly like that. Yeah.
But your grandfather also came back wearing a top hat which was upside down. No, I remember a photograph. You told me this story. That's why I wanted. The top hats were like this, you know, with the brim like this.
I didn't see
Yeah.
him wearing that.
And
yeah, like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, but he made a hat for himself which was exactly the reverse. And yeah, like this.
But
And then his face was down here.
But
And this was his hat.
People used to.
This
that
the
is
brim was like this.
That
The
was my
brim was
mother's.
like this.
My mother's father used to wear it.
This type of hat.
This type of hat. In those days, women
तो सिंधी में गाना ठीक है.
women doesn't want to show their body at all.
Yes.
So they wear the chadar, they call it akhri, and put it that way, so only one eye can see the road.
Okay.
It was not safe because you go out, you go with a servant or in the car or in the Victoria. But with akhri, that white chadar.
Almost like a veil then.
Mathe de dak, sab dak, puro dak. Only one eye can see it, and then a jali over there.
But this you didn't. That was
That
more
was,
like a
I
parda.
saw
no?
my nani, I saw her wearing with that.
Okay. But
Then
you
it-
didn't. Your mother never wore
No,
that.
no. But after first few years, it's gone away. So they used to wear it like this.
But later on, it was
No,
everybody
it was
dressed.
finished. Yeah.
uh,
But
quite-
still, you can't go. You never used to go alone in Hyderabad. You had to have somebody with you. No.
a man with you.
A servant.
A servant.
By a servant.
But when you came to Pune, you were not in that situation. You
No,
didn't
we
even
were not
have-
situation because this was a Muslim country. This was a Muslim country. All the Belkwara, all the Muslims there, Sindhi Muslims.
Everything
The
was
house was like this, but here, here, veranda, here, thalla chada, here, thalla. What do you call it?
like a plinth.
House
like
is
a-
by thalla here. But in the thalan ke, unake ekre ke dakan bhi beke kada hui. You bando.
Acha.
Understand?
हाँ.
The thalo में कुछ रखा बखा सी कुछ plants. Then from हितारी घरों को we used to use the street वाली गली दरवाज़ो use करना सी नौकर वाला ही करी जड़ी we party करना सी तरी करना सी.
Acha.
Understand? This was because under decor also was very nice, na?
Okay.
Because the tiles by हुआ था निकले सुठो लगा.
You have no photographs of that.
I don't know. Veranda में करनी है a big brass vases रखे होंगे वो stool ते.
हाँ.
तो वो उनमें plants होंदा हा.
अच्छा.
And then lot of gurus was there all over not from Sindh but all over the world. So that's all. And we had to TV.
Yeah, it looked like everything was into
looked
the
like this,
courtyard.
exactly like this. चलिए सब कुछ चलिए
सब कुछ चलिए.
सब overnight my father arranged a chartered plane. They said go now because otherwise they had to pay revenue tax because of Jairam heritage property. Understand? So overnight they